Disney World on a budget for 2026? Listen up. If you're planning a trip next year, I've got the cheapest ticket days you're going to want to highlight, screenshot, circle, tattoo, whatever works. Ticket prices start as low as $119 on these days. For August, we have August 18th, August 20th to the 21st, and August 24th to the 28th. September 1st to the 3rd, 8th to the 10th, 15th to the 17th, and 22nd to the 24th. Now here's the best part. Late August and September are already known for lighter crowds. So not only are you saving money, you might actually breathe while walking through the parks. Wild, right? I know. So if you're trying to do Disney smart, strategic, and budget friendly, this just became your golden ticket. Are you brave enough for the heat and the rain? Or are you paying full price for October vibes or middle of the summer? Tell me, what's your Disney strategy? Save or splurge? Let us know in the comments below. And until then, stay magical and I'll see you in the parks.